Welcome to OCI. In this demo, we will show how to install an OCA agent manually in the RHEL custom image. On the RHEL website, go to Red Hat Insights, Images, Build an image with custom content. Click Create Image. Select Image Output as RHEL 9, 8664 architecture and then select Target Environment for the public cloud as OCI. Select other option Virtualization, Guest Image, Kauto. Click Register later and keep all the default values. Enter a name for the image. Click Create Image. Once the image is created, download it and upload it to an OCI bucket. For this demo, I have already created an object storage bucket. Log into the OCI console, go to Instances, Custom Image. Click Import Image. Choose the image from OCI bucket. Select the image type as Kauto. Select the launch mode as Para-Virtualized. As you can see, the image is successfully imported. Select the imported image and then click Created Instance. Use PuTTY to log into the Linux RHEL instance with the cloud user login. Run the following code to check if the OCA agent is installed. If not installed, then log in with the root user and install the RPM file. Check the video description for the links. Run the following commands now. Revalidate by using the following commands. Once it is running, then check instance metrics where charts are displayed. Thanks for watching.